Based on the image content and current scientific knowledge, the claim, "This is the most detailed view of a human cell to date," is, misleading and likely inaccurate. Here's a detailed breakdown. First, the visual is clearly a three-dimensional artistic illustration, not a scientific micrograph or, an actual photo or microscope image. It uses dramatic lighting, vibrant colors, and those perfectly smooth textures that are, honestly, typical of computer graphics. Real, high-resolution microscopy images, like those from Cryo-EM or super-resolution microscopy, have distinct characteristics, such as grayscale or limited color, which is often added artificially later, as well as noise or grain, and specific labeling for structures. Second, most detailed is kind of unverifiable and, exaggerated. Detail is actually pretty subjective. While the illustration shows many organelles at once, actual scientific images achieve far higher resolution for specific structures or molecules. Techniques like Cryo-Electron Tomography or Cryo-ET can resolve structures down to near atomic levels, in angstroms, within a cell, providing vastly more molecular detail than this illustration depicts. Projects like the Allen Cell Explorer create highly detailed predictive three-dimensional models based on vast data. But they are still labeled as models or visualizations. Third, there's a lack of specificity. The post doesn't state how this view was obtained, who produced it, or what data it's based on. Genuine scientific breakthroughs are always published with methodology and source attribution. So, what does the image likely represent? It's probably a high-quality scientific illustration or visualization created by a biomedical artist or a scientific visualization studio. It's a composite representation that combines knowledge of many different cell structures, like the nucleus, mitochondria, Golgi, cytoskeleton, vesicles, and so on, into a single, aesthetically pleasing image. Its purpose is educational or conceptual, really, to give viewers a sense of the incredible complexity and organization within a human cell. And honestly, it succeeds brilliantly at this. So, here's the thing. Science doesn't actually have one single image that shows everything inside a cell at maximum detail, all at once. Different imaging techniques are each good at capturing different scales and components. For instance, light microscopy lets us see whole living cells, but its resolution is limited to about 200